Now, so I was asked a question there on our chat box there this morning, and it's a question about how do we move families from one project into another. Because when you do transfer project standards, it moves all the system families and things like that, but it doesn't load in loadable families. That's what these would be called. So I have a project here, and so there is a nice, let's say there's a window that I would like to move, and this applies to any loadable family. Okay, so if I select it and go into Edit Family, okay, I'm going to, in this case, I'm just going to do a Save As because I'd like to rename the family. File, Save As a Family. Okay. And what I want to do is, so I'm going to rename this. I'm going to call it my AT underscore. So window type, all right, AT underscore. I'll put in an underscore 04. Okay, something like that. And I might put in a little description of what it is. So it's a, uh, let's say, 3-panel. Panel window. So I'll put in a description of what it is. Okay, now I'm going to save that into a location where I can find it. All right, and I think I actually have one in there. All right, so I'm just going to call that A. Now that's saved from that project onto my into my Windows Explorer, and I'm going to pull that up now. Okay, so here's my Windows Explorer, and I will go to where I have that file saved. All right, and there is the date modified. There's the one there. Now, all we have to do is I've got my current project open, all right, and I literally can select this, drag it, and drop it in. All right, it's as simple as that. So you can drag and drop. So if you if you download families from, say, the NBS BIM library or one of those um, uh, libraries that is has a very good reputation in terms of having verified families, then the NBS BIM library is one of those. Okay, so you would download the families into a location where you have your family saved, and then literally grab it and drag it and drop it into the project. And you can see there it is now, and I can pop that window in there. So that's how it's done.